Hey, it's S2 again, your level 99 AliExpress advisor. Today, we have 3 really cool products to unbox. Do you ever have trouble getting out of bed? I know I do. So when the alarm goes off, what's the first thing you do? Wake up? No. You snooze that alarm, right? Well, these products were made exactly for people like that, who snooze the alarm, but still want to wake up. Bum, bum, bum. 3 alarm clocks. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about these? Well, for one, do they even look like alarm clocks? No, they look like mini toys. This guy can fly. Apparently, we don't know how true it is, so we will test it out. This one runs away from you. That's one of the biggest things, right? Try to catch your phone and snooze it. Well, you'd have to be a pretty good runner to catch this thing. And this one, well, I don't really know what this one is, which is why we'll unbox it and find out together. Right off the bat, I was asking Nikki if this makes popcorn. Did you guys think that as well? I got pretty excited and then she said no. So let's find out what this thing is all about. It seems to have an alarm clock on top and then some buttons that you can play around with. Here's my guess. I think the alarm goes off and you have to catch something to make it stop. That's freaking hard to do, right? By the time you're doing that, you're gonna get so into it, you're probably gonna miss work and end up just playing with this thing. Or maybe you'll catch it like that and wake up. We don't know. This could be a really bad distraction. Look at the levers. How cute is that? And this moves actually quite well. It's got a little bouncing feature there. The buttons are a nice click. It says Dream Rings on it, and then the coin slot is right there. So it actually has English instructions, which is super neat if you guys want to purchase it and, you know, want to know how to use it. It's pretty straightforward. What does it come with? Some coins, batteries, cord to plug it in and charge it, I'm assuming. And then look how cute. Oh my goodness, these beans are. So there's an on and off button. The light goes on. Now we just have to figure out how to insert these little beans in. And I do think I was right. You pop this open at the back. It's hard. And then you just put your beans in. So it says mode right here. I think this is how you set your alarm. Oh, it says normal, hard. What does that mean? I'm scared. Now you must immediately move control lever. It's got sounds, you hear that? Oh, this is so fun. Got distracted, sorry. Now, let's see what this does in the meantime. This is too cool. Oh my god! We're all like blown away. That was incredible. Imagine having this at parties. It's just a great toy even if the alarm clock doesn't work. I have one, a Bean Bedazzle. Normal mode, when the clock reaches alarm time, now you must put a coin in the slit. The alarm clock will be turned off whether you catch the ball or not. That's smart. So now, right, I'm sleeping. This thing is going off. I'm trying to stop it. Nothing. I literally have to get this. Press this. Now it's like just going off. So I can't go back to bed. It's freaking loud. So I have to go. I have to get a bean. No beans. But it'll still stop. You can bet. Well, that's a great start to my day. Just told me that I'm a failure. So that's the normal mode. The hard mode, they're smart. They've given you 2 modes. The hard mode is The alarm clock will be turned off when you catch the ball. If not, the alarm clock will always ring. Nikki said that why don't we cheat? Why don't we try to shake it and then the ball just will fall off and it'll turn off. Let's see if this alarm clock is smart enough to defeat Nikki's genius mind. I'm like anticipating the alarm clock. I wish they had different tones though. I wish there were different tones of alarms. That would make it really exciting. Okay. Now, Nikki said just shake it. No, it doesn't work. Genius. And it's counting down. It's like, this is how long it takes you. So I'm like, I couldn't sleep. Can you sleep through this? Do you hear it? Oh, it does stop after a while. Oh, wow. And then the alarm doesn't even stop. My God, I can just imagine getting so angry and being like, shut up. Well, Nikki, they probably thought it through. They thought, what if there's this one girl named Nikki and she just shakes it up? So, the next bad boy product we have, you guys must have for sure seen this. There's so many memes and so many videos of this at some point on the internet about the running alarm clock. It's smart. It doesn't just go one way. It goes like, it turns and then it goes different ways. You can't catch it. We're gonna unbox. Oh my God. It is so cute. It's very adorable. It's a literal face and it doesn't stay still. Again, comes with your handy dandy screwdriver and you've got these. And then, you know, you've got your pamphlet. To ring again. If the alarm without turn off at this time, the clock will begin to beep and... Well, that's how you make it run. I don't know how I feel about this device. It's a little scary, I'll tell you that. What is this? It's a flying alarm clock. A little deceiving because you might think, ooh, the whole alarm clock flies. Well, no, it does not. I don't think. We'll test it, but my assumption is that the fan flies off and you have to find it, grab it, and put it back on the clock to make it stop. It says, time really does fly. Very philosophical and poetic. Okay, great. There it is. That's very cheap. A little ball. This is the bottom. This you will likely connect here. Yep, and then it gets stuck. And then you take your propeller and you connect the propeller on top. This is very simple. We're gonna go ahead and set the time, and whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. Get this and put it back. And then it stops. It nearly destroyed our equipment.
Can you just use a Q-tip?
Nikki always comes up with these ideas, like why? Why would you want to do that, Nikki? We're ready with our Q-tips. Who sleeps with a Q-tip? Probably just Nikki. She's like... I don't think it's gonna work. I think anything you put in is just gonna shoot off. Well, what do I do?
What?
This is supposed to come off. It did not. Oh, Nikki's right. just just put a cotton bud in. The first 50 people who comment on this video below that have already liked and subscribed to our channel will get one of these. So go ahead, like and subscribe, and you might win one of these crazy items to wake you up in the morning. Solution for all you lazy people out there, just get a string.